I'm Ray and Pascal, and I'm so excited to be collaborating with Haden. It can be so difficult to cook healthy food when we're all rushing around. We've come up with some amazing kitchen appliances to make things easier for you. This is the Kitchen Angel. It's an electric pressure multi-cooker. I'm going to be cooking a chili con carne today, so it's that one pot cooking. Put in the saute function for the onions, so a little bit of oil and leave them to saute. And then I'm going to add all the rest of the ingredients into the Kitchen Angel. Then I've put it to number 1, which is meat, and then I'll just leave that to cook, and when I come back I'll have a beautiful chili con carne. Now this is ready, so before you take the lid off, just release the valve here. The great thing is that it cooks things in half the time and it locks in all the nutrients.